It's been a short but impressive journey at Symbiosis School of Economics. We began in 2008 with the BSc, and we have progressed slowly but surely towards MSc and PhD, and even an integrated MSc PhD. We are very happy with the way the school has shaped up, right from the undergrad to the masters to the PhD course. It has a number of diplomas and certificate courses attached to it, which adds value to the student's education. The academic course content is extremely rigorous. Our students have done very well. The first batch that has graduated and the second batch, which is on the verge of graduating, some of them have got jobs with Facebook. The other companies that they have been associated with are UBS Verity. The teaching methodology and pedagogy at Symbiosis is very dynamic and innovative. At our school, we don't only encourage the chalk and talk method, but we prefer that 80% of the teaching style is done through case studies, through presentations. In fact, when the subject econometrics is taught, we want the students to do data crunching. When research methodology is taught, we want them to actually do the field survey, prepare the questionnaires. It could be even field survey for 125 students. So the methodology and pedagogy is extremely updated and keeps in trend with what is required. It's not just the boring chalk and talk method. Another unique feature that has been introduced at the Symbiosis International University, and even we are going to be following it, is the floating credit system, where students in their fourth semester, that is second year, they would be given 12 credits freedom to do what exactly they want to follow their own calling. It could be something to do with some research work that they have undertaken, something to make their whole education far more interesting and dynamic. It could be writing papers, it could be attending seminars, it could be probably doing a course in human rights or any other liberal arts course. This would just make the whole academic content more interdisciplinary. Students are very keen in pursuing what you would say further studies. Our first batch have got admissions into Gokhale Institute of Politics and Economics, Indira Gandhi Research and Development Institution. They have also got into Jamia Millia. Some of them are pursuing MBA with KG Somaiya College in Mumbai, Tata Institute of Social Sciences. Our students have even got placed with for academic placement, I'm talking about in this situation, with London School of Economics and Warwick. And that's something we're very proud of, because we feel that these are two of the best internationally known schools. Regarding our program structure, that's something extremely unique. Besides concentrating on the core of economics, we find that we have laid a lot of emphasis on law. We feel there's this lovely correlation between law and economics and politics. In finance, the students do 4 courses, which is business accounting, financial management, portfolio management, and as well as banking and finance. So there is an all-rounded development for the student in terms of economics, law, politics, finance and accounting, as well as a lot of creative writing skills. Our students do a paper in research methodology. Besides research methodology, there is a course in economic journalism. Writing is a very important part. So quant and writing, as we talk about the 3 R's, reading, writing and arithmetic, they are all 3 absolutely nurtured out here to see that the best student does get created. After finishing your education from Symbiosis School of Economics, we hope that our students would not only be able to address the bigger issues of life, but even the day-to-day issues. And that's what we are most concerned.